In this video, we are going to show you how to use the hidden navigation or back menu on your iPhone. Now, say you are browsing something on the Files app. It often happens we go deep into the folder architecture, and when we need to go back folder by folder. Well, there's a nifty little trick through which you can unlock a secret back menu. Here's how. Inside the Files app on iPhone, first navigate to a set of folders. Now, when you want to go back, just long tap on the back icon, and it will reveal a hidden back menu where all the previous locations will be present. You can select either one of them or go back directly to the root folder if you want it. The best part is, this trick works for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Safari as well. Open any website in Safari and navigate to some web pages within the same tab. Now, once there, long press on the back button and it will reveal a menu where all the previous locations are present. You can go back to them whenever you want. Smart, simple trick, right? For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.